Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this monitor, the FeelWorld 7-inch 2020 nit 4K. Funny story how I got this. I actually bought the 4.5 inch 1080p monitor from FeelWorld and they sent me the wrong product, but this is way nicer than that 4.5 inch, 7 inches, 4K, and 2020 nit. 2200 nit, so it's super bright, especially in daytime. That is a huge must. So monitors are great for a lot of things. With this specific camera you can take 4K images, but you can't unless you have a 4K monitor hooked up. So with this it lets me take 4K images, and honestly I can't really tell the difference between the actual raw photo versus like raw 24 megapixel photo versus a 4K photo, but I thought that was pretty neat. It's extremely sharp. When I'm focusing with my manual focus lens, I always know what's in focus and what's not, especially when you have the built-in focus peaking on. With this monitor you have all different types of menus, you have a bunch of different modes, a bunch of different perks. I like to just keep it blank though for me and have focus peaking on the LCD, all that other stuff, so I can just keep just a way bigger screen for field of view work. So I forgot to mention this while I was recording, and I just realized it as I was doing the B-roll, but right up top here you have two custom buttons you can program in the menu system, and right now I have mine programmed to zoom and focus peak, and then I have the histogram on permanently, and that is just what I missed. Another great thing is the battery type it takes. It takes, I'm sure most monitors take this battery, it is the Sony NP-F 550 batteries. You know, everyone has this. The monitor I'm looking at right now, I got the $50 monitor video a couple months ago. I have that on this. You may be asking, why would you need a monitor? And honestly, there are a lot of reasons why I bought one, but the main one is focus and just a way cleaner image in camera. You know, LCD screens aren't the sharpest, but when you have a 4K, everything is so crisp. You look at photos, videos. I'm shooting a documentary this summer. It's gonna be really good. I'm really excited to. I've already started shooting the beginning shots. I'll definitely have it finished by the end of the summer, but if it's not done by then, I'm sure you'll see when it's out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The battery lasts about 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Really not bad for how small it is, and that is with the smaller ones. With the bigger ones, it probably lasts a couple hours. It takes HDMI in and out feed, so you can, if you're streaming something else in, you can connect to multiple monitors for like clients and such. And it has this thing I've never seen. It's called an SDI in and out. I've never seen that before. It's got a headphone jack or mini USB and then the DC power, but it doesn't come with that. If you have a DC power cable, it'll work with this, which I do have. I just don't really use it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The quick video about the FeelWorld 7-inch 4K 2200 nit monitor. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Check out our other content. I have another video about cheap monitors, which I buy. I'm a budget filmmaker if you haven't noticed. That's pretty much it. See you next time.